Hello, we're back with another integral, and this one is posted by Yamiko Fajardo. This is the integral of tangent x plus secant x minus 1 all over tangent x minus secant x plus 1. I have 4 solutions for this integral, and I am posting them separately in my YouTube channel, so go and check it out. For this video, I'll be posting one of the solutions. Personally, I think the solution I will be doing in this video is quite the longest, the most tedious among the 4 solutions I did. Pero this one is good kasi I'm introducing a good substitution which could be useful in some cases. So this substitution is very special kasi this is unique for secant x plus tangent x. So the substitution I'd like to introduce in this video is this substitution. Let u is equal to secant x plus tangent x. So of course, du is equal to secant x tangent x plus secant squared x dx. And then if I factor out the secant x, I had secant x times tangent x plus secant x dx. Now this one is in terms of u already. Alam na natin yon. U is equal to secant x plus tangent x. So what remains is to express secant x in terms of u. So yung special sa secant x plus tangent x is if you get the reciprocal of that expression, you'll get something pretty. Kasi 1 over u is equal to 1 over secant x plus tangent x, plus. Then if you multiply this expression by the conjugate, which is secant x minus tangent x, I get this. Of course, the denominator becomes secant squared x minus tangent squared x minus tangent squared x. Then the numerator becomes secant x plus minus tangent x. So ano special dito? Ang special dito is yung denominator mo becomes 1 by the Pythagorean identity. Therefore, your 1 over u is equal to secant x minus tangent x. O tapos, ano naman, hinahanap pa rin secant x. Remember, u is equal to secant x plus tangent x. Therefore, this is just a system of 2 equations in terms of secant x and tangent x. If I add the 2 equations, I get u plus 1 over u is equal to 2 secant x. So therefore, secant x is equal to u plus 1 over u over 2. Gets? So this entire expression here becomes du is equal to u plus 1 over u over 2 times u, which is yung secant x plus tangent x dx. So i-simplify lang natin ito ng konti. This becomes u squared plus 1 over 2u times u dx. I'll just isolate the dx in one side. Of course, I can cancel out the u in the process. So it becomes 2 du over u squared plus 1 is equal to dx. Wow! Wow! So yun, yung substitution na to gives us u is equal to secant x plus tangent x, and then secant x minus tangent x is equal to 1 over u, and also the derivative is equal to 2 du over u squared plus 1. Wow, medyo heavy. I'm quite certain that not everyone knows this kasi medyo uncommon substitution to, and very special lang to and limited yung applications. That's why probably you haven't heard of this. Pero it's good thing na alam nyo siya now. So let's apply this substitution for this problem. So express natin siya as, so let u is equal to secant x plus tangent x. So this becomes u minus 1. Then tangent x minus secant squared minus secant x is just, I said a while ago, that's 1 over u. Except na baliktad yung sign. So this is negative 1 over u. And this is plus 1. And then u minus 1, negative u plus 1. And then the differential element is 2 du over u squared plus 1. Okay, tapos pwede natin to i-simplify. This is u minus 1 over negative 1 over u and negative 1 plus u over u, and then times, I'll just take out the 2, du over u squared plus 1. Oh, this is u minus 1, this is u minus 1. So therefore, I can cancel that out. And I will be left with integral of 2 integral of du over u squared plus 1 all over u. Of course, the all over u, I can put that in the numerator to make it u over u squared plus 1 du. What? Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari? Na-simplify natin itong expression na to, into this, which is quite simple. Kasi if you are solving a lot of integrals in the past, maybe familiar na kayo sa expression na to. I'll just put this 2 here. Kasi, if we let u is equal to u squared plus 1, let another variable, let's call that m. M is equal to u squared plus 1, you get 2u du is equal to dm. So, itong entire expression na to magiging dm over m lang, which is very, very impressive. dm over m lang yung entire expression na yan, so this becomes ln of absolute value of m plus c. Then your m is u squared plus 1, so this is ln of u squared plus 1. And then plus c. Then your u is secant x plus tangent x squared plus 1 plus c. Tapos na. So, medyo sobrang napadali natin yung process kasi from as complicated as this, na-simplify natin siya to something like 1 over u, integral of 1 over u, which is very, very impressive. Yeah, in comparison with other solutions, I think, kapag alam nyo na to, sobrang dali na itong part na to. Siyempre, kung hindi nyo to alam, kung i-derive nyo pa itong part na to, medyo mahaba siya. Medyo mas tedious siya than other solutions. Pero if you know this already, itong part na to is easy peasy na. Medyo, boom, tapos na. So, as a practice, I'd like you to solve this integral. 0 to pi over 2 of dx over secant x plus tangent x squared. Ito medyo straightforward na application lang nitong solution na to. So, if you use this, sobrang dali na nitong problem na to. So, yun lang for this video. So, if you're looking for other solutions for this problem, I suggest you check out my other videos for this problem. Also, if you're looking for other integrals, I have a lot in my YouTube channel, as well as at my website, robblesmat.net. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching and bye-bye!